We have known this dog for quite a while. She is the one gypsies tied up and left to die behind an abandoned house. She managed to free herself and started to live in the forest near the shelter. She even had a litter of pups up there. We know of only one surviving pup, and I made friends with him. We tried and tried to make friends with her, but she wasn't having anything to do with us. Every time we stopped to put food down for her, she ran away. Then after weeks of trying, she started to come for the food, and we even got tail wags. A few weeks ago, her and Forest pup disappeared, and we haven't seen them since. I spotted her this morning, and this is how she treated it.
Bad way this morning, and she's been attacked, so what's going on? She's yelping when they pick her up. Okay, sweetie, let's take you. We'll find somewhere. You coming? You coming? There's a good girl. How are you feeling? Hey, how are you feeling? There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Got the old plate from the vets. She's been bashed about a bit, haven't you? Hey, sweetheart. There's a good girl. Did okay, there you go. Hey, you enjoyed that. Down to the river.
Okay.
Here's it go. Jennifer Clara. You okay, girls? You good girls. Oh, little one, you can be saying hello. Hey, I've not seen you since I got back. There you are. There's a good girl. And you, Flossie. You too.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember